Burna Boy's highly anticipated concert in Johannesburg at the FNB Stadium was unexpectedly cancelled. The reason behind the cancellation ranged from low ticket sales to the promoters' inability to meet their contractual, financial, production, and technical obligations. Despite selling around 18,000 tickets, the concert was called off. This comes after Burna Boy's controversial statement in 2019 about never visiting South Africa again, which may have contributed to the low ticket sales. However, Burna Boy reassured his fans on Instagram, promising to return to South Africa soon. Sjava, a prominent figure in the South African music, has reached an impressive milestone with over 1 million followers on Spotify. This achievement not only solidifies his status as a global music icon, but also highlights his significant impact on the music industry. His unique blend of Afro-soul and hip-hop has resonated with listeners worldwide. Celebrating this achievement, 1020 Cartel posted on Instagram about Sjava hitting the 1 million mark on Spotify. As Sjava continues to make waves in the music industry alongside rapper Big Zulu and their duo Inkabi Zezwe, his influence only grows stronger. A co-ep artist Salty Idyan has been making headlines recently. After parting ways with his management team, Gamla Media, he released a new music video with CTT beats that has already gained over 40,000 views on YouTube. However, controversy rose when Salty Idyan started using a new YouTube channel and Spotify profile for his latest music. This led to the speculation: did Gamla Media take control of the accounts, or did Salty lose access to his accounts? We are eager to hear your thoughts on this matter. Thank you. See you on the next video.